Campaigning Iranian style, Mohammed Bagher Ghalibaf, one of the main conservative candidates at a rally in a mosque south of Tehran. The biggest issues, the tough economic situation and the Trump administration's maximum sanctions. The enemies of the Islamic Revolution, led by America, when they feel our power, when they feel they're in danger, then they pursue a fight against our religion, our beliefs and traditions, which are the basis of the Islamic Revolution, he says. Not far away, the moderates try to rally their troops, but their popularity has shrunk as Iran's economic turmoil deepens. One of the leaders of the reformist list saying they want to try and end Iran's economic isolation. Fighting the roots of corruption, promoting civil liberties, and expanding social participation of the people in their destiny, as well as developing relations with the world, he says. But moderates around President Hassan Rouhani are under fire as the Trump administration's pullout from the Iran nuclear agreement and campaign of maximum pressure have battered the country's economy. In November, protests over a fuel price hike caused a harsh reaction from authorities. And the recent killing by the U.S. of top Iranian general Qasem Soleimani, and Iran's counterattack, firing ballistic missiles at installations housing U.S. troops in Iraq, nearly brought the two countries to war. Iran continues to face international backlash after it accidentally shot down a Ukrainian commercial airliner, killing all those on board during the standoff. Voter turnout will be a major factor to watch after thousands of candidates, many of them moderates, were disqualified from running by Iran's Guardian Council. At a press conference, I questioned the spokesman for the council about the issue.
Can you explain a little more the process that you go through when vetting and also disqualifying candidates for this election?
The candidates should meet the standards such as certain age and degrees and police clearance. And also, they should not have crime records such as fraud, corruption, and bad reputation.
Iran's leadership has started a PR campaign urging people to come out and cast their ballots, as the country battles voter apathy from a public that continues to face major hardships. Fred Pleitkin, CNN, Tehran.